And the whole journey is about reclaiming the plain sight truth, the unchanging truth in you, and that is consciousness. And how to get there is the dissolution of ego, taking out the layers in you, all identification in you. All identification is the ego identification. You have to peel each layer out of you with self-examination, with self-inquiry. You have to investigate your layer that you're attached to with the self-inquiry. By tracing the mind, self-inquiry or self-examination means you're tracing your ingrained identification or ingrained belief or ingrained experience backward to figure out what is the source of my identification. So you're tracing back to figure out the reason to cling into whatever you're clinging. All clinging is the mind, comes from the ego self. So you have to trace back, you have to do the self-examination of yourself on what you hold on to. So you gotta, trace your mind backward. That's the journey. Tracing the mind backward is the path to annihilate the ego. It's the process to make your ego die. So again, the whole process is about disengaging with the mind, dissolving the mind. So again, comes down to simple question. What's happening in your practice? Are you dissolving the mind or are you expanding the mind? If you're expanding the mind, ego is so stubborn in you, so strong in you, that ego is making you go everywhere. So the whole reason to be part of the spiritual practice is to overcome the struggle, overcome the fear. And now you're already being part of the spiritual practice. And now your spiritual journey is